Hot rolled steel coil sheet production line, for sale, 2 million tons/year. This equipment was operated by a top steel company, and was decided to be sold in 2021. It consists of 2 electric furnaces, with a capacity of 150 tons, and 52 main equipment. The total weight of the equipment is estimated to be 30,000 tons. Annual production capacity is 2 million tons, and the maximum production thickness is 220 millimeters. We have excellent engineering companies and technical staff who can support the dismantling and packaging of this equipment and its reinstallation on your site. You will be very surprised by our very low prices and active technical support. If you are interested, please contact us sooner than your competitors at kts0077799@gmail.com.